guys, how you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. This is HP Deskjet 2820E. This printer is multifunctional printer. It's multitask, 3-in-1, in the sense you can copy, scan and print from this printer. This printer is perfect for home. This printer is connected to my mobile phone and laptop. What I want to do is to show you how to scan document from this printer to the computer. To scan a document, what you need to do is open up the scanner, stick the document you want to scan on the scanner and close it. Now go to the printer, HP Smart App, select scan. Once the printer is showing you ready and you can see the printer here, then select scan. Now the next thing to do, you need to select the source, which is glass scanner. Select advanced preset, select documents, then select scan area A4. You can also select scan entire area. Okay, select scan entire area. Then also output is colored. Resolution, the maximum with laptop is 1200 dpi. If you are scanning with the phone, the maximum is 300 dpi. So I'm going to select, currently is in 300 dpi. I'm going to leave it in 300 dpi. You can also select preview or scan. If you select preview, see the document. If you're happy with it, then you print it, you select scan. If you are not happy with it, then you can change. So this is the document we scanned. So this is the document we scan. Okay, and if you're happy with, I'm happy with it, so I need to select scan now. So it's scanning. Okay, so this is the document to scan. If you want to scan the second one, open up the scanner, stick the document you want to scan again, close it, and go on top. You will see scribble and also add. So select add and do the same thing. Select scan entire area. Okay, and select scan. Okay, so this is the document to scan, 2 pages. This document now, if you want to save this document, you click save on the button. Okay, so from the button you select save or print or share. So we're going to select save first. And basic PDF, select save, click save. Okay, so your file has been saved. Okay, now the next thing is for us to print this document. You select print, then you wait for the printer to be ready. Okay, the next thing also you need to do, you need to make sure you select the correct printer. HP Deskjet 2800 series is available. You select portrait or landscape. So is it currently in portrait? Now also paper type is A4 paper. Okay, full page, select full page and select out layer, 1 page per photo. Okay, now select, if you keep scrolling down, select paper type is plain paper. Output quality, you can select normal or high quality. It's currently in normal. Then you select how many copies. You can also select more settings. If you select more settings, it give you option for you to select double-sided, select print on both sides. If you are using laptop, you have option for you to print double-sided using this printer. But if you are printing with mobile phone, you can only print one-sided. Okay, now the next thing to do is select if there's any other thing from mem tray color and select OK. Okay, then select print. Now this document is going to print out, and as the document is printing, we show you this information. You see this image. What that means is you need to take the document back inside. Here we go. This is the document we printed out very quick. Okay, now take it inside. Make sure the information, so the blank side need to be facing you. Then you go back inside for you to print the second page. Okay, then from the laptop you need to select continue. Select continue. So this is the document we scanned and printed it out. If you want to share this document to somebody, you can also select share. If it doesn't work, then you go to your email address and attach the document we saved. So select share button. Okay, the next thing, once you select your mail, then you go and select new. Sometimes it will allow you for this to work straight away, but if it doesn't work, then what you need to do is you need to go to your email and select new. Before you do anything, you need to put the recipient email address, so type the email address of the person. And select send. So this document now is sent to my inbox. The next thing to do is just need to wait for few minutes for this document to arrive to my inbox. Okay, and you can see the document we sent to my inbox just arrived. Open it up first. This is the document sent to my inbox, just arrived. Okay, click it open. Here we go. Here it is. Please do me a favor, like, share, and subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you.